Mattawa, Indigida. Bonjour tout le monde. Je m'appelle Judy Tupin. Je suis le conservateur du Mattawa Museum. Welcome everyone. My name is Judy Tupin, and I'm the curator of the Mattawa Museum. Wow. That has become our buzzword for the summer because we simply couldn't count the number of times people would come to see what was happening. And it was the only word to describe the feeling they had when they saw the true beauty of this work. Sometimes it was wow. Sometimes it was, oh wow. Sometimes it was, wow. But it didn't matter. We didn't need a translation to understand the way that they felt. We have been witness to watching this amazing work of art come alive in front of us since that first day. In May, Marcel, when the cedar frame was laid out on the platform. As a curator of the Mattawa Museum, I feel honored and privileged to be part of this incredibly special celebration. Shimon. It was a little over a year ago that Marcel and I met on this very point to discuss something unique, the building of a birch bark canoe on this historical location. Because you see, this is where our French ancestors would have arrived, right here. And they would have been met by our Anishinaabe ancestors. That discussion last year has literally led to this day and the launching of the gift. To say it has been a journey is an understatement. It has been a journey, an experience like no other, not just for me and our staff, but certainly for the over 2,000 visitors that we've had to the site this season. I did the numbers and I was, oh my goodness, over 2,000 people have been here. This canoe truly has been, is, and will continue to be a gift in so many ways. It has inspired some to do more research on their ancestors, to learn more about our culture and our heritage, and then to share with others. It has even brought some to tears, emotions that people were not even expecting. And we know it's led to some pretty animated discussions on history. The sharing of memories, laughter, and much storytelling. There have been so many goosebump moments, I feel we should have layers of them by now. Every day was different. Some days people were waiting as Marcel and Alex arrived to open the gates. And some days he'd actually get some work done before his visitors would keep him in storytelling mode for the day. We've had people from all over Canada, every province, including the territories, which I think is pretty amazing. The United States from as far away as Texas and Washington and Florida, and the Midwest like Wisconsin and Minnesota, who were searching their Algonquin heritages. Our international visitors from far away as Australia, Colombia, Sri Lanka, the Netherlands, Germany, Bosnia, Italy, and yesterday, Bulgaria, and so many more. Social media is pretty amazing. So did they come upon us by accident? Yes, some of it did. But many of them have been following social media and made it a point to come to Mattawa to see this. And it just blows my mind. Each day was a new adventure. We embraced it, and we have so many happy memories to share. And we shared the stories of our community with those visitors. There are some people I need to thank. Janique, where are you? Before I introduce Marcel. In museum speak, This canoe build has been a live history exhibit. Let's see, madame. It is an outdoor extension of what the exhibits inside the museum, and it simply wouldn't have been possible without the help of our amazing staff of young people this summer. I have to let them go back to school, and I am not pleased about that. So I would like to acknowledge and thank them for their dedication and for their hard work, for keeping me going on days when I didn't know if I could. Victoria Childs. Izzy Merritt.
Thank you.
Alex Rogers. Maya Stelling, who is our team leader this year, and we're sending her off to university. Alex Scott. Very special thank you. She's my right hand and my left hand most days, so couldn't be doing this without you. Alex Labelle. He was also a part of our summer team, but his key role was helping his grandfather build this canoe. I'd like to thank our board of directors of the museum for all their help and support of this project. It couldn't have happened without that support. But most of all, we want to thank all of you, this community, and our visitor community, because they have become like family. We've had people come back here 2 and 3 times, and I don't mean from town, I mean driving from Montreal 2 or 3 times. So it's been kind of amazing for that. Your support, whether it's in person or on social media, it has meant the world to us. For those of you who have traveled here today to be with us for this celebration, a very special thank you. Community is about people, and we thank all of you who came to visit, to share stories, laughter, and memories. You have enriched our lives. Un merci spécial à Monsieur Labelle, Rosé, pour avoir partagé vos souvenirs et vos histoires. Merci beaucoup, monsieur. Joanne. What's Joanne?
It's over there, hiding, pretending. Oh, me, sorry.
What can I say? Joanne is the anchor of this support team.
She's the boss.
Photographer, business partner, maker of meals, and our general go-to person. Thank you so much for all you do. For including me and my staff as family. Suzette Chevy. And Marcel. Here we go. Wow, we'll have to do, because anything else just doesn't seem enough. You've been our rock this season. Patient with the oh so very many questions you always make time to answer, to share not only your knowledge of our culture and heritage, but the pride you take in that knowledge and your willingness to gently explain. We appreciate your calmness of spirit and strength of conviction. You set a wonderful example for all of us. So with that, I will humbly introduce Marcel, who is a Métis grandfather and father of Algonquin heritage. He is our master canoe builder, our dear friend, Chimikwech, mon ami.
Wow. It's on? You can hear me? Okay, good. Kwekwe, Minokishkat, Marcel Indigenous Cause, Mahigan Dodum, Mattawa, and Dunjba. When people would come and ask me if I had built here before, I said, well, you know, I watched when I was a little guy. There was an old man that my grandpa was a friend of, Bernard Bastien, on 7th or 8th Street, and I would watch. It was comforting for me to have a visit from his grandson a few weeks ago. And he remembers the snotty-nosed little kid that I was when he would carry the birch out of the forest for his grandpa. So for me, it was nice to meet someone again that I had, seen before. So that was fun. You want to see her in the water soon? Okay, so I'm going to cut this short. Okay? First, I'd like to thank Alexandre. Alexandre probably tied 75 or 80% of the root on this canoe. Together we pulled like 1,500 feet of roots out of the ground. So I want you to appreciate that this chaman, this gift, I call it a gift because it's my way of giving back to my community. In building it, I realized that I received a very important gift also, and that was for my two grandsons to participate on it. Where's Jake?
Jake, it's over there.
Stand up, Jake.
Go,
Jake
Jake.
came to join us. Come on, man. And he tied a few roots with us. But this year, Jake found something called girls. I only tied a few roots. Where's Loic? Loic, you sit. Loic is Janet's son, my other grandson. He can't wait to turn 14 to build his first canoe. Because Alexandre built his first at 14. Jake last summer built his first at 14. And he's waiting. He's got another 7 years to go. But the only material on the gift that does not all come from Mattawa comes from outside of Guelph. And that's the resin, the blood from the trees. Because in Mattawa, the forests are healthy, and it would take me 4 or 5 years to harvest enough gum for this canoe. So we went to the Guelph area where the forests are not healthy, and in 2 hours, we harvested enough gum for this one. Okay? So, other than the roots, we have the skin, and all of the bark that you see comes from within 15 minutes of here, all around the Mattawa area. Inside, all of the wood on the inside is cedar, and it comes from 2 trees. Actually, both of them we walked from my house to harvest. Okay, so all the materials from this gift comes from Mother Earth. And that's the other gift that I'd like to share with you today. You know, like I gifted my time here. We call this the gift. I call it the gift also because 400 years ago when my French ancestors came to what we call Canada and met my Anishinaabe ancestors, this is what they developed Canada together with. If not for this vessel, it wouldn't be like it is today. So we used to work well together for hundreds of years. It's only around Confederation that things went awry. We're not going to go into those details today, but we know what happened. So I would like to share this gift as time goes on with different communities and remind people that we can work well together, Indigenous and non-Indigenous. She's the gift from Mother Earth. Everything you see here, Mother Earth gave to us. Every one of us, we depend on Mother Earth. That's also to remind us of that. We need to appreciate what Mother Earth has done to us. I almost look like Doug Ford here. There's a bee when they're running. I will share if I get it. So this is the gift that we're sharing here today. And as people ask me, where is it going to end up? Like us, someday it will end up as a gift to Mother Earth. All the materials are natural. When we're done with her, she will go back to Mother Earth. That's where she will rest the final moments. So now do you want to see us carry the gift to the water?
Yeah.
Okay. that because it's been done. So ditto. And let's do it.
Est-ce que vous allez venir sur la barre?
Moi, venir sur le bord certain, mais je ne lèverai pas ça.
Non.
Je veux pas qu'il je veux pas embalayer les jeunes hommes, on va dire que je suis seul, puis... J'ai passé une belle été à jaser avec le monde, et puis...
C'est le fun, ça.
J'ai toujours aimé la forêt, moi. Depuis que je suis tout petit, je suis très trappeur. Et puis, on est sur une très
Got it going. Yeah.
Don't walk out of this place if they try to.
I guess that's a hard. We get the two other bales, please.
Water fight.
make it nice and comfy for you, Judy.
So we can see
Yeah.
and paddle.
Yeah.
Wow.
Exactly, Joanne. Yeah. Yeah.
My shoes are there.
Yeah, I'll watch them for you, Judy.
Walk on the board like a queen.
Yeah. Yeah, what? You're bringing me back, right? Am I sitting it that way?
Yeah, maybe not. Yeah.
Hello. Are you going in the boat too?
It's gonna rain now.
So you don't get them wet. Yeah.
I'm coming.
Help your grandmother.
I'll never get my shoes on.
Tu vas aller voir maman. Maman, elle est... Oui, elle n'est pas là. Alex te cherche.
Hello.
Hey, rule number one. No, when we're paddling, never touch the canoe.
Okay, talk to you later.
When you never flip.
Bye.
Okay, so Marcel to your right. Please, Jim, your left. Might have to move the bay all over or put half the cheek out.
Why the canoe sink now that Chris sing it in?
Okay, young man, you'll get your tent. Yo voy prestísima.
Until they're done. And I'm not doing the rest of it. I think that's enough, right? Yeah. they're not leaving, don't worry. You'll get your chance if you want to go in it, I think. Yeah. I think it's so that it doesn't get Hey, Izzy, you gotta get the good pictures here. Did you get Judy's face? Judy's like, oh, I thought it was gonna chip. I was like, oh no.
Saves carrying it. Yeah, that's right.
Pretty good.
Oh, you're good. I think you're good, Dad. Yeah, yeah. That's what I was gonna do too. It looks good. Yeah.
If this was the same ride all the way to Ottawa,
It'd be perfect. Yeah, yeah. You don't have to paddle. Good. Just float along. Perfect. Yeah.
Amazing. Yes.
All right, Judy. Can I end the stream?
Yes.
You're good. Okay.